I'm reading. I'm reading a book in Kentucky. National Geographic Kids Trucks by Wilmera. Trucks by Wilmera. Meet Slick. Hi, I'm Slick. Do you like trucks? I sure do. Big or small, I like them all. Dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, rocks, and dirt. The back of the truck is like a big box. Two hydraulic cylinders push the box up and whoosh, the load spills out. Say hydraulic cylinders, truck talk. Hydraulic cylinders, tubes, tube filled with oil. Tow truck. Oh no, this car needs a ride. A tow truck pushes its flatbed to the street. Chains hook to the axle of the car and pull it onto the bed. They hold it tight for a ride to the shop. Ouch! Truck talk. Axle, the rod between two wheels. Garbage truck. Garbage trucks have major mojo. This front loader lifts a big trash bin. Up and over goes the garbage. It is tipped in, crunched back, smushed and pushed. Check out these hydraulics. Cement mixer. The best part of a cement mixer is the drum. If it's rolling, the truck has new cement inside. The drum cannot stop rolling. If it does, the cement will harden in the drum. Fire truck. There are all kinds of fire trucks. This one is a pump truck. It pumps water. It has hoses and a water cannon. A pump truck hooks up to a hydrant to get water. Tanker truck. A tanker truck carries fluid like milk. There is a hatch on top of the tank where the tank is filled. Truck talk. Hatch. The door that covers a small opening. Car transport. How cool is this? It's a car transport. It carries new cars on its trailer. The trailer has upper decks and a lower deck. The upper decks are lifted by hydraulics. Check it out. Hydraulics. armored truck. An armored truck has a bulletproof shell. Even the windows and tires are bulletproof. Let's get this bling to the bank. Heavy hauler. Some trucks have big jobs. A heavy hauler carries big things like houses and airplanes. It needs a lot of wheels. These trucks are also called 18-wheelers. Sometimes they even carry other trucks. T282. This one, this is one of the biggest trucks in the world. It's a dump truck. The driver has to climb a ladder just to get into the seat. It also has video cameras, so the driver can see on all sides. It can carry more than 50 school buses. This truck costs $3 million. Slick's big rig. Here is here is my rig. It is a tractor trailer. The tractor part is the front. It pulls the trailer. Slick's office. Here is the dashboard of my rig. Truck Talk dashboard, where all the controls for the truck are found. Slick's home on the road. I can pull off the road and sleep in my cab. This is my home away from home. I love my truck. Hydraulic cylinders, tubes filled with oil, axle, the rod between two wheels, hatch. The door that covers a small opening, dashboard, where all the controls for the truck are found. The end. Yay!